Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Val. It's Val here, and today I have CatLadyBox. So happy Catterday everyone. CatLadyBox will go up on Saturdays for Catterday. And so I have March's box. Yeah, I have March's box. That's the first box that we're starting off with. And it is a little bit late. I kind of was slacking on recording it, but we have it here. So let's go ahead and unveil the box. It's in here. Okay, I'm excited. Okay. Ooh, what do we have this time? So, I haven't gotten CatLadyBox in about, I think my last one was last year. So 2024's orange cat box. So now I have this one. Let's see, and every month they send you like a postcard. This postcard just has everything that's in the box. We'll go through that in the end. And this is by the artist KTO. So the featured cat artist is Karen Obuhanik. Karen Obuhanik is a Hawaii artist illustrator who enjoys creating happy artwork inspired by the simple joys of life, especially cats. You can see more of her work in her Etsy shop, ktoartstudio.etsy.com. So let's go ahead and open the box. It's kind of all jumbled. So first we have this kitty keychain pouch. So here's the little kitty keychain pouch. It's really cute. I like the colors. It just has a whole bunch of cats and coffee mugs. And here, let me put this box up here so you can see my cat, my orange cat who's trying to play with it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start from what's inside here. Inside the shipping bag. So inside the shipping bag is a little apple. It's a apple catnip toy. And Charlie's also gonna try and play with it. And then this is a shirt of the month for March. It's cute. So it just says Meow Day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, of course Catterday and Sunday. So I'll probably be wearing this on some Saturdays. I apologize for my phone going off. It wasn't supposed to go off. Look at the kitty. He likes it. He's interested. Okay. So the next toy that we have is Larry the Lemon Loaf. Also has catnip in it. And then we have Eddie the Espresso Bean with catnip. I'm sure they'll love playing with these toys. And then we have Floppin' Flower with catnip. Floppin' Flower. And then this is for the humans, or me. I probably won't use this, so I might like donate it or give it to a friend. However, it's a cat coffee scoop, 1 tablespoon. And then the last thing that we get in this box, which I probably will be using, is, oh hi Ronnie. Don't knock the camera down, please. You're gonna knock the camera down. You're gonna knock. Okay, we got interrupted by the kitty. They're playing with they're playing. No, not this. This isn't a toy. Look. These ones have catnip in it. No, this doesn't have it. Charlie, that's not for you. Okay, I'm gonna have to push you off. Okay. You just witnessed a little bit of my cat abuse. Just kidding, no. He was ruining our thing. Okay, so let's finish this video off. They are enjoying their catnip toys. Charlie's also enjoying their toys. Anyways, so the last thing in this box is the meow mug. So let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, this is heavy duty. This is a good mug. It is heavy duty. It just says meow with a black cat on it. So here, meow. It's just white, black, and gray. And it's a nice mug. I like this mug. I'll definitely be using it. I'm excited to drink tea out of it or hot cocoa. I'm not a coffee person, but definitely a tea and a hot chocolate person. So here's the mug, here's the tablespoon. I might actually keep this, or maybe I will donate it. I'm not sure, give it to a friend or something. And then here's the little kitty keychain pouch. And where's the shirt? Here's the shirt. So that is the end of my March CatLadyBox unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. For more CatLadyBox unboxings, subscribe down below. If you're a cat lover like me, also subscribe down below, because monthly CatLadyBox unboxings should be fun to watch. If you're interested in purchasing CatLadyBox for yourself or subscribing to their box, I will go ahead and put their link down below. And don't forget to also subscribe for BarkBox Day, because I am also subscribed to BarkBox, and I will also be uploading videos about that. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Bye everyone.